What's up, guys? And today we're diving into something a little different, the Schengen visa application process. First up, we've got the passport. This might seem obvious, but your passport needs to be valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned stay. It's like making sure your phone has enough battery life for the whole day, you know? Next, you gotta prove your purpose of travel. This is where you need either a hotel booking or an invitation letter. It's like showing the bouncer your ID to get into the club. You gotta have it. But wait, there's more. You also need travel insurance. This isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have. It's like having a case for your phone. You hope you won't need it, but you'll be glad you have it if something goes wrong. Alright, so now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. You need to show them the money, like literally. If you're employed, you'll need payslips and employer letters. For my self-employed folks out there, you're looking at company registration and tax documents. It's like when you're buying a new tech gadget and the store wants to make sure you can actually afford it, you know? But here's the kicker. You also need to prove you've got strong ties to your home country. This could be property ownership, a business, or even your kids' school fees. It's like showing you've got the latest iPhone back home. They want to know you've got a reason to return.